This is a 1994 Trek Singletrack 930. It belongs to my good friend Benne, who purchased the bike with the intention of turning it into his dad bike. Given the somewhat peculiar customizations and a small dent in the top tube, he got a really good deal for it. While such a dent will decrease the value of a vintage steel frame set, it makes it no less rideable. In this case, it's a lugged and double-butted true temper chromoly frame, which appears to be decked out in all original Suntour X1 derailleurs and shifters, as well as Diacomp X1 cantilever brakes and brake levers. Somewhere along the way, it seems to have lost its previously installed bar end horns, which makes the handlebars a bit of a health and safety hazard in their current state. None of that really matters though, because today this bike will be completely overhauled, as I have been tasked to turn this 90s mountain bike into a Restomod MTBMX with integrated child seat. Let's see what we can come up with, and if we can get Benne's daughter's approval after first test ride. Our first job on the now fully stripped frame will be to improve some of the scratched and chipped areas and the removal of these stickers. The scratch repair paste helps us with smoothing out scratches, obviously, but I also find it helpful in removing surface rust from the areas where the frame is completely bare. To ensure the rust won't come back, we will then cover them with rust converter, which works extremely well on black frames, as the rust converter will turn black once it's dry. The tire of choice for this bike is the Schwalbe Billy Bonkers. We will mount it to a silver wheel set that is replacing the stock one. It's a very basic set of Shimano hubs and I believe Araya rims, if I'm not mistaken. Generally you will find that on this build we're not using any top shelf components, as we're trying to keep things budget friendly. The reason we're swapping the wheels is because the silver wheel set will be a nice match for the shiny silver BMX handlebars that are going on here. I frequently use Dior V-brakes on these rebuilds. They simply provide unbeatable value for money. It may look a little strange that we're pairing black brakes with, at least in part, silver levers, but the reason I do that is because that way the black and white brakes will blend in with the black, white and blue frame, and the brake levers will match the handlebars. When it comes to the derailleur, once again, we aren't using anything fancy. But on that note, I feel like most people highly overvalue what it says on their derailleurs and undervalue the importance of keeping them in good working order. A well-serviced Exage 400LX derailleur will definitely perform better than a gunked up, dirty XT derailleur and cost only a fraction. The child seat that is going on here is mounted to the stem, which I personally don't find the best solution if I'm honest, but it's what Ben already had, so I had to roll with it. I got us an extra long quill stem adapter so that the seat could be attached to the stem mounted bracket. But yeah, adding all the extra weight of your child to your bike's steering is kind of like switching off the power steering in your car, so not ideal from a handling perspective. Maybe you guys have some advice on which child seat setups you have good experience with, as that is not an area that I have any expertise in, to be fair. I like combining BMX bars with thumb shifters, and in this case, rather than using an old Dior or XT thumb shifter and drive up the cost that way, I chose this brand new Shimano Tourney shifter, which is cheap and it's also quite huge, which should make it easy for a child's hand to operate it. So father and daughter can quite literally ride together rather than Ben and his daughter being just a passenger. While I was polishing the cranks, I had the thought that it didn't seem quite right that everything was just black, white and blue on this build, despite the fact that we have a girl using this bike as well. So I decided some decorations for cranks and handlebars were in order. I think it came out pretty cool looking, but what is more important is what our clients say. So let's put it to the test.